So what I got going on here is my flip-flops. Now these flip-flops are a pair of Chacos. Best flip-flops I've ever had. I'll tell you a quick story about these. I was back in Alaska visiting my mother, and we go to Value Village, and these flip-flops were $7. My mother says, "Those are good flip-flops. You need to get those." I said, I don't need those flip-flops. She said, "Jason, these are good flip-flops. You need these flip-flops." So I got these flip-flops. I've worn the tread off of them almost. The bottom's falling off. But these are the best flip-flops I ever had. So, the moral of that story is, you should listen to your mother, even when you're in your 20s and your 30s. And even older. Whatever. So, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to peel this off. I'm going to spray this in there, because usually this chews the rubber up. So I'm going to spray it in there, just kind of clean it off a little bit. And then I'm going to put this stuff in there. So, we got to spray this on both surfaces. Let it dry till it's tacky and stick it. Now this stuff here, I'm going to link this in the description. I'm not affiliated with these guys, but I do have an Amazon affiliate, and I'm supposed to get some kind of commission. It doesn't cost you guys anything. In fact, do me a favor. If you're going to shop on Amazon anyway, click my link and then shop. It doesn't cost you anything. It supports the channel. Come on, be a team player. Anyway, this stuff is amazing. My dad had a piece of equipment, his skid steer, and the seat, the upholstery had peeled off of it. I guess he had a fat cousin that just sat down in it and just jacked it all up. Anyway, I went down to Walmart. I think I paid $10 for this can, something like that. $9, $10, maybe $11. I don't know, maybe $15 even. Whatever. But my dad was real skeptical. He's a naysayer. He's like, "I ain't gonna work." And I went through and I cleaned it all off, and he was trying to put the seat back in the back where I just finished fixing it for him. I said, "Dad, give me 10 minutes and let me do this." "Yeah, 10 minutes I'm gonna waste, never get back." I said, "Well, I've already cleaned it all up." And so I went ahead and sprayed this stuff on there. I'm pretty sure it's still holding. It hasn't budged a bit. This stuff is amazing. It's powerful. Okay, so we got that part done. Now, I love my dad. Don't get me wrong. Just because he's a naysayer. I'm not talking negative about him. I said those things in love. Okay. I don't think that's going to get much cleaner than that. That's maybe Now this one is almost off. I'm going to go ahead and peel that one off. Clean this up. Now I want to try to get that other one off. Now you can see the quality of these things. The strap goes all the way through the sole, all the way around. And that's high quality stuff right there. There we go. Okay, I'm going to call that good on that one. I'm going to give it a minute, let it sit. Okay, let's sit for a minute. So it says let them get to where they're no longer tacky and stick them together. I think that's probably good. I want to make sure I get these on here. You want to get it on there right, because it ain't coming off afterward. never get it off again. This one should be easy. Okay, I'm just going to put my sandals back on, put some weight on them, and call it good. Okay, guys. That's all she wrote. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.